This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna go downtown Oslo with the whole family, go to Oslo street food and then also visit e-Niro cafe. And okay, I have the choice between the EL8 and the ID bus, 7-seater. So I thought you guys are bored of e-Niro now, so we go for the bus. The kids are still inside here. We're gonna load them soon. But you know, this is supposedly the long version. And I thought, well, it's big, it's a big truck, right? Well, look here, okay. It's around 5 meters long. So I parked them now side by side so that the back end is there. And in the front, the EL8 is actually slightly longer. Okay, we can cheat a bit by it, but I mean, yeah, the EL8 is 5.1 meters long. And then the ID bus is 5 meters. So yeah, and then here you see in the front we have Isofix. So I put Isabel in the front. Oh, she likes being in the front. Oh yeah. And then in the back we have another Isofix. Yeah, child seat ready there. And then wife will be sitting here for once. Normally we put the kids in the back, but this time Isabel wants to ride shotgun. And then we also have 2 more seats in the back that we actually haven't folded yet. Wow. You see it too close. You press this button here. So if we look in the back here. Oh, okay. Oh, that just fell down. I toss it in there. You can actually fit the double-decker stroller here. This is e-Gazelle S Cybex. And we still have more space. We're going to go buy some food, buy some groceries and something. I don't remember what the heck it was. So yeah, it fits there. Otherwise, we could also fold the second row. Sorry, the third row to get even more seats. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's 7 seats. Just confirming it's a 7-seater. So okay, all good. And you see, German design. They put the charge port here, so you can actually charge while you open the door. Let me see. How far does it go? It fully opens, no problem. You see? Unlike some of the Chinese cars where the charge port was blocking, what was that again? Densa or something? Whatever. Okay, let's get ready. Wait, let's get ready. There. Oh yeah. And here you can open the window, unlike the regular bus. All right. So wifey wants to recline all the way. You can also take it more upright. But it's not anything near the Densa D9 and the Xpeng X9. What is it called again? Yeah, whatever. But okay, anyway, let's go. Yeah, it's nice to be back in a German car again. Except for that Axel is not happy now. Well, you have the ID interior as you know it. Well, we are now downtown Oslo. And I wanted to show you guys the stats here, but it seems like as long as one of the seats are not buckled, I mean, I'm buckled up. See? And, no, he wants to go to. Okay. And then, no, what? It showed briefly there when I buckle up. Okay. How do I get rid of that thing? Man, freaking. No, not steering wheel. No, 9. Freaking German software, man. Okay, well, you can see it here then. Since start, 222 watt-hour per kilometer. It's not that. What the heck is wrong with Axel now? Okay, he's in the back there. He just had some milk. I think he's just hungry. Okay. Anyway, this is the big battery. Well, I don't remember what was the size again. 91 kilowatt hour or something. So we had around 85 kilowatt hour net capacity when we had full. So I'm going to do 1,000 kilometer challenge tonight. So I need to keep it high so I can get ready for tonight. Yeah, it's been actually 3 years since last time I had one. But okay, anyway, let's get ready and then off we go to the food place. But it seems like we won't have time for e-Niro house. Actually, e-Niro house is closed now. e-Niro house closed at 3 on Saturday, but the e-Niro cafe, maybe some other day then. Nice weather over here. Just not as hot as before. Oh yeah, here we have also street food. And then there is child, the stroller thingy, child. You have to go zook like this to get up there. So if you haven't seen Oslo street food before, here we have some crepe and stuff. And then we have Japanese food, Indian food, Thai food. There's a bar over there, another bar here. Also have Korean food here. And I'm not sure what. I think some Mexican food also. Also pho over there. And then here we have some Korean food, and I'm not sure what's here. So yeah, lots of nice food selection. Oh, here's the food, tonkatsu. We have some spring rolls. Huh? Okay, you want the tomato? Yes. Here, I should go tomato. And then we have chicken here. Yeah, sweet and spicy chicken with the rice. Oh yeah. Dig in. I'm not sure what the kids want to eat, but we'll try to feed them. All right, we're heading back home. Yeah, back to Yesom. Actually, we're going to the shopping mall in Yesom instead. So it seems like it works best if the kids are sitting in the back and then wife sits in the front. I think it's based on child psychology. As long as Axel sees mommy, then he's grumpy. So yeah, okay, this works the best. อันนี้เบาะสบายดีไหมไม่ค่อยสบายมันนิโอสบายกว่านิโอโอเคนิโอสบายกว่าคันนี้นะมันราคาพอๆกับเดนซ่า D9 อ่ะ เดนซ่านี่ดีกว่าเดนซ่าเลิศกว่านะ Well, let's hope they bring Densa D9 to Europe, but at least X9 is coming to Europe. Actually, delivery starts soon, and the price is actually roughly the same as this ID bus GTX. So, well, it's going to be hard competition. And when you drive the ID bus, you can drive in the bus lane. Well, actually, the bus lane has been restricted. EVs can still drive here, but only in weekends. We're getting close to Kløfta now. Okay, we have tailwind. Wind is coming from the south, but I kind of feel like the soundproofing has been improved, but I'm not sure. Because I remember that the ID bus was a bit noisy. So, okay, I think I should do the acceleration noise test to check this. But this is a GTX, with plenty of power. 340 horsepower, and actually has the ABRP 550 rear motor. You see, now when you fold the third row, then we have plenty of space. Let me just show you. Boom! Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so much space since we don't have that many kids. And then here we have, wait. I wonder if this is where an adult can sit in the middle between the two car seats. Okay, all good. First we thought about going to Yesim Store Center, but I think we can find everything here at Oops instead. Wait, where did Wi-Fi go now? Well, this is the danger of coming here with Wi-Fi, because they have a discount on Lego. And Isabel wants this. You want this, Isabel? Yeah, you want this? You want train? Yeah, it's like Lilliputhammer. And then we need to buy a bigger box for the Lego. The house is full of toys, but we still need more toys. And then I don't know what's up with the Schwein at Rema 1000. They don't sell it anymore. They stopped selling pork, but they sell it at Coop. And it's called, isn't this Svin? Yeah. No. Okay, don't. Okay, no. It's no. Freaking toddler, man. They need to touch everything. Yeah. Okay. And then this is for me. I'm just full of shit, so I need lots of tissue, plastic toilet paper. Okay, but is wifey done now? No, she's still looking. If I came alone, it would take 5 minutes to buy the Schwein. If wifey comes with me, it takes 45 minutes. Alright, we're finally home. So that was 87 kilometer round trip. 250 watt-hour per kilometer. Well, it's it's a van, so what do you expect, right? Except for that, they still haven't fixed this. White van there, but it ain't a white van, is it? Okay, let me check something here. You see, when you press rear, you can go this. You see, you can open the window back there. Huh? Nice. So I need to test something. You can do it on this side here. When we open it, how child safe is it? Okay. Let's see. Ah! Okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe Isabel will be a bit scared if that happens, but I can show you here if we go. Not that well. Oh no, dude! I waited too long and then it went from the rear to the front again. It's kind of silly. I know they want to save buttons, but okay. See if I open it again. No, the other way. Okay. Show here. If we close it and I could just push this. You see? That's how safe it is. Yeah, of course, German quality, you know? It's really safe. Yeah. Yeah, what? What's the heck is wrong with the window? Come on. Shit. Okay, forget what I said about German quality. Maybe it has Tesla panel gaps. Shit, well, it's closed it now. Ah, man. Okay. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Well, I was backing up and then I noticed that this was open. I thought I closed it. Well, guess what? The same problem on the other side also. Well, okay, all good. Wait, has the backup camera in the MAB platform always been so low resolution? I remember the Firefly, you know, the reasonably priced car even had a sharper image than this. Yeah, it seems also the aspect ratio is a bit weird, but it's doing that whole panning thing automatically when you turn the wheel. Okay, now we are charging it. I like the two-tone color. I tried it earlier. There was another ID bus, but not the one, the GTX, you know. There was yellow and white something. Here is red and gray, so it's still cool, you know. It's just cool looking car. I like it. Yeah. So then tonight we're gonna do 1,000 kilometer challenge. But here, as a family car, we didn't even utilize all the capabilities. It still works great. So that's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.